What about having an assistant that can answer all questions you may have? Yes, for free. You heard me right. Plus, this is so easy and quick you'll be amazed. Whether you want to write a book, create content for social media, need help with your homework, or want to do an academic paper or an email, you're in the right place. Do you need a Python or Java developer, an engineer, or would you prefer an English teacher? Anything you need, it's there, but let me give you 2 examples. Okay, let's say I need to write an email complaining about a hotel I've stayed. I'll just type the date and say why I am complaining about. Voila. Amazing, right? Another example. This time I need a 5-day diet to lose 1 kilogram. I'll just write that. Really fantastic. I love this. Check it out because it's worth it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll be coming back with more awesome tools for you. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.